What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to today's video. We are going to be installing some coilovers on my 535xi BMW. Alright guys, so now that you know what we're doing today, we got a couple things to check off the list before we get to the actual coilover install. First is going to be emissions. I'm going to go into Jiffy Lube to visit my friend Tanner. He's going to hook me up, get emissions done on this thing. After that, we're going to hit the car wash, get this thing cleaned up, spray off the suspension, get everything ready to go to look at, inspect, and get ready for the coilovers. The other thing that we need to do before we lower this thing is roll the fenders. The front fenders have about a 1/4 inch lip that needs to be rolled flat on them, so I'm going to be looking at that today using the heat gun to make sure we don't crack the paint. But in this video, we are going to be lowering the 5 Series. All right guys, we're underneath my car right now with my homie Tanner. He's gonna be doing the emissions. We're checking everything under here. I'm just taking a look at this front right suspension where I curbed that wheel. I just want to make sure everything's okay. I'm gonna take a better look at it later when I do rolling the fenders, but yeah, let's just take a peek at everything under here, get a good look at my car that I never get to see. Alright guys, we just got emissions done. My boy Tanner right here. Thanks boy. Yeah, I'll let you know. I'll go see if I can find it. See ya. Alright, let's head out guys. Alright guys, so you just saw that we got emissions done on the BMW. I got some new stickers for that. I'm gonna go ahead and wash everything, spray the suspension as much as possible so we can get ready for the coilovers. So just enjoy this time lapse of a car wash.
Across this great country, thousands of Americans are trying to whip it.
Whip it. Whip it. I say whip it. Whip it good.
Alright guys, so I just got back from the canyon cruise. We had a great time going up Big Cottonwood Canyon. BC suspension is working, everything feels great. Make sure you guys like this video. If you liked it, hit that subscribe button to check out some more content, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.